only thing about the M3 though is when you ease off the brake, it doesn't move.
Oh yeah.
Because of the DCT.
Yeah, it's like half manual, half not.
But
actually put it in drive.
BMW has the weirdest indicators.
Yeah. You just tap it at the same time. You have to actually push it all the way up so I can stay on.
I can hear the little pops. So it's in manual now?
Yeah, you push it down.
Should I shift myself or should I let it?
Right now I'm saying just the regular.
Alright, so we're going to try that mode first. Listen to that turbo. I love turbo cars, man. They sound so sweet. Yeah, too much traffic. I mean, cruising at 50 on the turnpike. that's too far for the car.
It's like one exit.
I love how it downshift by itself just now. I used to have one of those. Yeah, with two-door one. That was my first car. Stick shift and everything.
You said you drifted that too or not?
Only burnouts, because it was front wheel drive.
Right.
BMW shifter is just hella nice. It's different.
It can be like, I'm not gonna be able to beat that, but but like V6, like Mustangs and Camaros, I can beat.
Oh, downshift for itself still?
Yeah,
that's nice.
Right before you shift it down, just
I really do. It sounds too nice for it not to pick up on camera. It's nice. You don't think you can beat him?
I'll race him though. I race anybody.
I love the sound. No, he definitely gonna think we want to race. Alright, let's see. The sunroof open?
Yeah.
Alright, so they're going definitely. Oh, that's the cool. That's the opener?
Yeah. It was just tinted. I mean, tilted.
Alright. That sounds so good. Hopefully these people can hear the turbo. If I go home and look at it and I don't hear the turbo sound, I'm gonna call you and put the camera up in there.
I'll put it on my hood. Yeah, like that would be the next thing, like a mount.
I do. Oh, I left it in my car. But because I only have one camera, it does it. You see what I'm saying? I need a second one. That's the next step. Get some more cameras.
I've seen them where they can they screw into like the tow hook and you can just screw it in there and then put the GoPro on there.
Yeah.
That'll be like.
I like the Beamer. BMW have a few M parts. The bumper just looks hella nice. The M tips. Exactly. You do what you want. And as I've always said, every BMW needs the right interior. Every BMW needs the right interior. You're gonna sell it?
Yeah, I'm selling it. I want a 440.
A 440? Ooh, those pops hard. Those pops hard. He's gonna take it, or she can actually. I think he can take him. You don't think he can take him?
I don't think so, but I don't think he's gonna race anyway.
Damn, a lot of wind noise coming when you open the sunroof. I'm going down to that tunnel. That's where I want to hear it. There's one right down there. You can see it in the distance, right after the train line. I'm not used to four-door car. I roll down the back windows instead of the front.
I do that all the time too. That's my car. Because I just don't even look at it. I just push down and then I'm like, oh,
That's what you want.
yeah. Really, just anything at 6 cylinders. Those are my four, but
Yes, you want an inline six.
S5 too.
Those are nice. I drove a S3. It felt good, but it didn't have any sound though. That's the thing. You hear the turbo?
Yeah.
Whew.
Don't forget that blow off valve. You hear that all the time.
Oh, that sounds
It sucks in
nice.
that air.
Don't come over. I do not trust Florida drivers.
I don't know.
I know the car isn't low, but I still go over this slow. Even in my mom's Camry.
It's on springs, but it's not that low.
Alright, let's see. I heard the sucking sound, so they had to hear it.
It had to be.
Are we gonna make that light? Nope. And now we return. This one doesn't tell me my speed. The only corner in Florida, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, that turbo sounds nice. I think we're lost.
It's all good. It's gotta come out somewhere, right?
You know me and my mom came on this road once. She was like, yep, that's my private jet.
That's mine right there.
Right here is a nice little spot. After this car pass, you have to be safe. In the meanwhile, think it's enough space?
Turn all the way, right?
Yep. Sir, what are you doing? Are you spying on me, sir?
Yeah.
Are you spying on me, sir? I just like this MDM thing. I like it. The whole lot. It's like everything is like.
It took so long getting into it.
Alright, ready? I'm gonna do this brake boost.
Oh yeah. I didn't know it could do it. It can do it.
It left a line.
I mean, I am still safe.
Yeah, I tell her I drive safe but not slow.
Exactly.
I'm not gonna be going fast unless I have the space to do so. You see what I'm saying? Like right now, we just have the space to do so. That was 110.